Welcome back to Quiz Corps.
Get ready to have your mind blown. Here are some crazy world facts questions you definitely didn't learn in school. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Corps channel for more exciting quizzes. First question. How many times was Mike Tyson arrested by age 13? Answer B, 38 times. Who holds 11% of the entire world's gold? Answer B, Indian housewives. What is weird about the planet HD 189733b? Answer B. It rains glass sideways. What was Hitler's plan from Moscow? Answer A. Turn it into a lake. Which of these is older? Answer A. Oxford University. Why was Shakira kicked out of her school choir? Answer B. Sounded like a goat. How was the Algerian anthem first written? Answer B. In blood on a prison wall. When is a sloth most likely to die? Answer B. Going to the bathroom. How was a huge diamond sent to England? Answer B. Regular mail. What did George Foreman name his 5 sons? Answer A. All George Foreman. What is Pixar's anti-Disney rule? Answer B. No songs or love stories. What is missing from an adult Luna moth? Answer B. A mouth. How many legal haircuts are in North Korea? Answer B. 28. When did the oldest pub in Ireland open? Answer B. 900 AD. What is a mandatory subject for kids in Armenia? Answer B. Chess. How was the Batman villain Condiment King beaten? Answer B. Slipping on ketchup. Who invented the make and bacon microwave plate? Answer B. A 6-year-old girl. What is the name of the secret KFC spice blend? Answer B. 99X. What was the tiny front pocket on jeans for? Answer B. Pocket watches. What is the world's oldest alliance? Answer B. England and Portugal. What was author Roald Dahl's job in WWII? Answer B. Fighter pilot. How many meatballs does IKEA sell every year? Answer B. 150 million. How fast is the SCM maglev bullet train in Japan? Answer B. 375 miles per hour. Where is the world's fastest bullet train? Answer B. Japan. How many times can paper be recycled? Answer B. 6 times.
Choose your next challenge and hit that like and subscribe button.